Hey everyone, it's Allegra Davis Hannah, and this is probably going to be our quickest Canvas video. If you deleted something by accident, you can actually get it back. It hasn't disappeared. So I'm going to show you two ways that you can get back content that you accidentally deleted in Canvas. So if you're on your course homepage, like I am here, and to make sure you're on your homepage, you can always click home. Go up to the address bar in your browser and just click /Undelete. It's real. So from here, you can restore anything that you accidentally deleted. So a page, a quiz, an announcement, anything that you didn't mean to delete, you can restore it. And you see it has all kinds of things down here that I've deleted. And if I wanted to, I could bring any of those back from the dead. I'm going to bring this announcement back. I'm going to hit restore. And if I click on announcements, that announcement will now be back in my course. So because I use delete, I can use undelete in Canvas. And one more thing I want to show you is if you're working on a page in Canvas and you mess it up or you delete something off of it or you make some mistakes that you are trying to undo, on any page in Canvas, you have these three dots right here, this More Options menu. If you click that More Options menu, you can go to View Page History. And that will allow you to revert to previous versions of the page. So if I delete something from this page, let's delete this big green box. I know my colors. All right, and then I hit save. But I really wanted that big green box. I didn't mean to delete it. If I go here to the three buttons, I click View Page History. I can revert it to the previous version, which has got the green box. I just hit Restore this revision, and my green box is back. All right, I hope that helps everyone. Have a great day.